G'day Aussie Specialists, I'm Jackie. Welcome to the Ginger Factory. We're the home of Budrum Ginger and you'll find us only 60 minutes north of Brisbane. There is so much to see, taste and discover here at the Ginger Factory. Let my friend Ginger Boy and I show you round.
Hi, I'm Vicky. Join me on our Taste of Ginger tour. I'm going to show you how ginger's grown, harvested, processed into our delicious range of Budrum Ginger products, and then there'll be tastings at the end.
Hi, I'm Gabby, and today we're going to go and discover the secret life of a honey bee hive and finish off with an even better honey tasting at the end.
Hi, my name's Misha. I'm the Executive Chef here at the Ginger Factory in Yandina. Here at the Ginger Factory we like to use fresh seasonal produce grown here locally on the Sunshine Coast.
Hi, I'm Sasha. A trip to the Ginger Factory isn't complete without one of our beautiful ginger ice creams.
Hi, I'm Debbie. Come and discover the largest range of Budrum Ginger products in the world in our retail shop or wander through the Ginger Village shops.
Hi, I'm Elsa. Come on board and join the Gingerbread Man on an adventure around the world. You'll love our puppet wonderland.
Hi, my name's Blake. This is Morden, 117 years of age, born in 1901. Want to join us as we take you around the gardens and our factory complex?
We just want to have fun.
Hi, I'm Andrew. As CEO of this wonderful attraction, the team and I look forward to welcoming you to the Ginger Factory soon.